What are the best ways to stop snoring permanently? Are you wondering if snoring can be stopped naturally and permanently? Looking for how to stop snoring while sleeping? In fact, snoring is a nuisance. It may disrupt your sleep or that of your partner's. Even if it's not bothering you too much, it's not a condition to ignore. Fortunately, there are effective ways you can stop snoring permanently. In this video, Silva Guide will be talking about 5 practical ways you can stop snoring. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell for all your health content. Number 1. Losing weight. Excess weight, especially around the neck, can lead to constant snoring. You can lose weight by watching your caloric intake. Avoid fries and go for healthy alternatives. Foods like broccoli, orange juice, and pineapple can help. Of course, exercise can also be very helpful. Number 2. Clear your sinuses. One of the major causes of snoring is clogged up sinuses. So, if you want to stop snoring permanently, practice rinsing your sinuses with saline a few hours before bed. Nasal decongestant or nasal strips can also help you breathe more easily when you sleep. In addition to that, vitamin C can also help by clearing the sinuses, promoting respiratory health, and boosting your immune system. Number 3. Sleep on your side. Simply switching up your sleeping position can help stop snoring permanently. When you sleep on your back, the tongue moves to the back of the throat, blocking airflow through your throat, so breathing through your nose becomes more and more difficult. Sleeping on your side is a natural remedy that allows air to flow easily and reduce or stop snoring completely. Number 4. Raise up the head of your bed. Now, as trivial as this may sound, it can help you stop snoring for a few days. Elevating the head of your bed can make a positive difference by keeping your airways open. Lying low sometimes puts intense pressure on your airway. This, of course, leads to loud and hard-to-miss snoring. More so, your snoring could be caused by sleep apnea. Number 5. Use nasal strip or nasal dilators. Nasal strips can be placed on the bridge of the nose to help increase the space in the nasal passage. This can make your breathing more effective and reduce or stop your snoring. You could also try a nasal dilator, which is a stiffened adhesive strip that's applied on top of the nose across the nostrils. This can decrease airflow resistance, making it easier to breathe. Number 6. Treat chronic allergies. Among other things that can cause snoring, allergies play a major role in it. Allergies reduce airflow through your nose, forcing you to breathe through your mouth. So, if you've tried everything to stop snoring and it's not working, it's time you get tested for allergies. Find out what your body is reacting to and talk to your doctor on the anti-snoring treatment best for you. Number 7. Avoid alcohol before bed. Alcohol can actually worsen snoring. So, if you want to have a healthy sleep and stop snoring permanently, avoid alcohol. Among other harmful things that alcohol does to your health, it relaxes your throat muscles, causing airways to collapse and loud snoring. I know it's difficult, but try to avoid alcohol totally. Stay off it completely. But if you want to take baby steps, try consuming alcohol no later than 2 hours before bedtime. Do you know any other effective tricks to stop snoring? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.